Hello, IK here. Welcome to chapter 12, ID Selector. We are continuing to learn HTML and CSS from chapter 8. This is a part of HTML, header, main, footer. We see ID home, ID products, ID contact. In this example, we use ID selectors for navigation only. Here is navigation, we call that div nav, class equal nav. Link, anchorage, we have 3 links. Here home, products, contact. If we click on home link, the header appears at the top of the screen. Header appears on the top of the screen. If we click on the products link, the product section appears at the top of the screen. Here it is, products. And if we click on the contact link, the contact section appears at the top of the screen. Here is it. And ID can be used for CSS styling, JavaScript targeting, page navigation, our case. That's all for this video. I want to create video like this one by acronym SOLID in programming. SOLID first letters in acronym SOLID. It is letters S. Selection by goals, selection by target, selection by consider. And here my goal is ID selector. I can put it in title, main title, ID selector. And I said what I have about here in this video, and you see I don't explain all combination, all possibility here, but I follow strictly our project. I go from project, complicate project HTML CSS, and go down. It is final project. I go from final product HTML CSS responsive and go down to element. Go down to element. And every video can be connected, can be about one thing, one title, one title. But in training, as I said in previous videos, as training, as experience, you change state, value, and look at what happened in user interface. Or simple, you copy some script and ask more example. And separate example, you see effects of changing values of properties, values of CSS styling. Okay, if you know somebody that need video like this, tell them about. If you like it. If you need, subscribe. If our community around this video growing about this series, it is series about for a series web developing for absolute beginner, and now we are about HTML and CSS, and after that JavaScript, etc. Thank you for watching this video.